main is that we have enabled the password authentication as well as the root login onto this system. Okay, now let's go back to our instruction file and see what else we need to do. Now to check if you are in which directory you are in, you need to give for that pwd. This for nothing, just for the uh, just sake. Okay, so pwd, if you want to give, it's going to tell you in which directory you are in right now. Okay, so now that you are in this ec2-user directory, for that what you have to do in there, add users. Okay, or maybe first restart the sshd service, because we have made some changes in that sshd. Now let's restart it for so that the changes reflect. Okay, for that service, sshd service sshd restart, same command for, because this is Linux. Okay, so let's delete it one time. Okay, enter. So now that has been restarted. So now what we're going to do, we will now make users on this. Let's just make 3 users. Okay, one for our control server, we will make a user known as user add is the command to make a user. Yahoo, anything you can give. Okay, but for our, sorry, yeah, okay, user spelling mistakes, just spelling mistake. So add user, USERADD. Okay, ADD, slow क्यों हो? User add, and give the name of the user as, give me some name, Yahoo. Okay, so first user we're going to add as a Yahoo user. Give enter. So now I want to give the password also for this user. Okay, PASSWD, and give the username YAHOO. Okay, give enter. So now it will ask you maybe to change or add a new password for this user. So just give Yahoo only for this. Yahoo. Okay, so it says that it has to be not shorter than 8 characters, but anyway it's just taken it. Okay, it was not throwing any error. So we'll do the same thing for the others also. Okay, user add, in the user add we'll just give Google. Okay, Google. Password as for Google is Google only. Google. Okay, successfully done. Now let's come to the third part. Third is the third terminal. So what else is there? YouTube is there. User add Chrome. Okay, because it is shorter, that's why I'm using this. Okay, PASSWD. This is how you can create users in your Linux systems. Okay, Chrome, 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 Chrome. Okay, done for all the three things. So now let's come back. What is the other instruction? So add the user adding done. Now go to the sudo ers file and add these give these users permission as a sudo, so that they are able to install the packages. Okay, so go to the vi to etc sudo ers file. Okay, so because it's common for all, so we will have it running for all the screens. Okay, so vim, because vim will not be there. Let's see if vim is there. Vim is not there. Let's install vim first. Okay, yum install vim -y. Okay, so installation is almost done for vim. So now go inside of that vim etc sudo ers. Okay, so it's very important, there is one sudo /sudo sshd_config where you earlier went. Okay, now you don't have to go there. What you have to do is sudo ers. Okay, sudo ers. In sudo ers you will have, sudo ers will consist of all of your users. You will see here there will be 2 users already added. One is by default one ec2-user, it's there. So now what you have to do is you have to add your users to this file. Okay, now come to the end of it and give once. Okay, now it says include So add your user. So what was the user for the control server? Yahoo. Okay, Yahoo is the user, and these two give all for same. Okay, so it's basically telling it that do you want to have a password while you're installing something? Do you want password to be there? I am telling it no, I don't want the password to be asked there. Okay, just copy this and paste it. Okay, it is not copying like this. Just right click, copy, come here, paste. Okay, so keep the indentation proper, indentation एकदम उसके नीचे like this. Okay, so now copy this entire thing and we'll just paste it, copy. So that is done for this one. Give control Q, go enter, disable this tab, come down to this one, go to the end. Okay, I, and then paste the same command here. Okay, it's not pasting. So for this it was Google, and same all is equal to all. Okay, and no password, then it is all. Okay, so save it, wq save, disable this terminal, come back to this terminal and give I once, go down, this was Chrome. Okay, and copy paste this part here. Okay, done. So now that this is done, let's close this also. So now what we have done is we have created the user. So now if I want to log in using that user to this machine, or maybe first set up or maybe change the from root to that, all I have to do is su and then give the username. Okay, so the first one it was Google. So you will see that, yeah, first one is Yahoo. Okay, that's what it was saying, it's not present. Yahoo. Okay, so see now I am logged in as a Yahoo user. See, the user has been added. Okay, so same base for others also you can do. Okay, so just because it's a control server, and if you give exit once, it will go back to the previous user. Okay, previous user. So now what we have to do, let's go back and see what are the instructions. So now we have added the password and all. Now it's saying from the control server, generate a keygen, generate your own private key, one more private key, and then add those private keys into others control, into remote servers also, so that when it's sending a package, it already has the authentication of username and password. Understood? That is what we mean to do. So point here is that I should be able to SSH into remote servers from my control server without giving any username and password. That is what my intention here is. Okay, how I will achieve that? See, for now, if I do if I want to SSH into a Yahoo server, okay, first one is Yahoo or Google, right? No, I want to SSH into the second control server, so it is Google. Okay, Google at the rate of, now IP address of this Google. What is the IP address of Google? That is the internal one. Tell me what is the 172 internal one? 172.31, because internal communication anyways will happen. 95.41. okay, if I give enter, it will say that. Okay, no issues. So now we are able to log into, where are we right now? Into Google, right? So now what is it asking me? Password. So now how can I do it in such a way that it does not ask me password? That is where I will add keys. I will add a private key on this system and then copy the public keys onto other systems, so that you are able to communicate with each other without giving the password. So what was the password here? Google. Okay, so if I give Google, now I'm able to log in, right? I'm in the Google server. So that means I am basically not in the control server right now. I'm in the Google server right now. Whatever I do, whatever I've done there, I'll be able to do it. But now I don't want that to happen, right? I'll just go back to the control server. Okay, just go back to the control server, clear the screen. Okay, so now I have to generate a key. For that, the key to generate a key anywhere in Linux is SSH-keygen. Okay, SSH-keygen. Make sure to generate the key only in the control server, not in the remote servers. Okay, keygen. Okay, give enter. If the key is not there, it will just ask you, do you want to save it in a